Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My amendment would strike the text of the underlying bill and replace it with the Restore Trust in Government Act, a bill introduced by our colleague Seth Magaziner to actually ban trading of individual stocks by high-ranking government officials. The Restore Trust in Government Act would do many things that the Stop Insider Trading Act fails to do. For example, it would require members of Congress and the President and Vice President to divest entirely from their investment holdings when they enter public office. This requirement would also apply to members' spouses and dependent children. Unlike today's bill, the Restore Trust in Government Act would bar covered individuals from trading, that is, buying and selling and even holding stocks and other financial instruments. The Restore Trust in Government would also ensure that government officials covered by stock trading prohibitions are unable to write off trading losses from their taxes. There's extensive support in the House already for the Restore Trust in Government Act, to say nothing of the several other thoughtful, sometimes bipartisan bills that have been introduced to prohibit congressional stock trading. Each of these bills will be more effective at stopping insider trading, conflicts of interest, and corruption than the bill we have before us today. If Speaker Johnson were truly serious about banning congressional stock trading, which he has publicly said, we would be considering the Restore Trust in Government Act today or something substantially like it. I encourage my colleagues to support this amendment to finally ban stock trading by high-ranking government officials. With that, I'll yield back.
Gentleman yields back. Is there further